I hope I'm perfectly audible and visible to all of you. My dear students, I think bit of camera setting is required. Just do let me know. Perfectly audible and visible to all of you. Hey, warm welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome, vanakkam, suswagatam. Hey everyone, little bit of camera setting is required, I think. Let's check it out once again. Uh, Proper now, I think. Let me check it out. My dear friends, if my voice is clear, hey, just a second. Let me see. Because once the camera is okay, setting is proper, then only I'm going to start it. I think it's okay, kids. Yeah, it's okay. Camera is okay, right? Okay. My dear friends, I want to see green hearts if your Baba is perfectly audible and visible. Today I'm here with the awesome questions and 15 minutes. There's delay because of some technical glitch. So extremely sorry for that. So our focus is to do all the questions based on haloalkenes and haloarenes. And today, definitely those who have done proper revision, they will feel that yes, they have done something and now their confidence level has increased many more four times, right? Just to let me know that you are ready. If you are ready, I want to see some fire in the chat section. Everyone, and all those who are new, subscribe this channel, and your attendance I want to see in the form of smashing the like button. So my dear students, this you know very well, this Diwali, Unacademy Wali, mega lottery and fun awaits, 10 iPhone Pro Max. 10 people are going to get, and today is the last day, not the whole day, because in the evening at two channels, Unacademy NEET and one IT channel, there will be lucky draw of the lottery by your favorite star, mega star faculties. So those who have not still gone through it, those who are not having the lottery ticket, still the chance to have it. Link is there given in the subscription, and you go there. Once the class is over, it will redirect you. Just formality of 3 points. You can get it and have it, right? So this is your Baba HSP with 27 years of teaching experience. Yes, number of people gone to medical college, dream college, IIT colleges. So what I am saying, IIT and medical both, because today's class will be having questions of IIT, and they will definitely come in your NEET examination also. And NEET people will understand, those who are preparing for NEET, they will understand today that they know better than the students who are preparing but not serious for IIT. But if they're serious, then they are going to win. Let's see who is going to win this race. NEET students or IIT students. Once I want to see some fire in the chat section. If you're ready, kids. If you're ready, I want to see some fire in the chat section. Everyone, show me some fire in the chat section. And like and subscribe this channel so that I can start with the first question. Now see, the first question is on your screen. Just do let me know it is clearly visible to all of you or not? Or let me zoom in a little bit. Now I think it's much clear. Now I think it's much clear, kids. Let me sit in front of a screen and check it out. How many people are going to give the correct answer? Priya ji, welcome. Creative idea, Shreya, Sai Kumar, Dhanushri, Aditi Singh, welcome. Welcome. My dear friends, this is your first question on your screen. It's of IIT JEE 2023. Raghu Saran, Sugandhi B. Arpit Santhya, Excel batch. Arpit, welcome. Inishen, Darius, everyone. So everyone is going with B and B is the correct answer. Now kids see, we call it IIT question. But if you see, then it's simple most question I would like to say. And I would like to say it's the simplest question. See, this is haloarene and this is alkyl halide and you are getting toluene. So it is fitting, it is woods. Woods fitting. Woods fitting. So A is 2. A is 2. So this can't be the answer. And this can't be the answer. Now the race is in between B and D. Now this is fitting reaction. So this is fitting reaction. So it is first, B is first, B is first, B is first. Di. Now this benzene diacetyl chloride CuCl2 is sand-Mayer reaction. C is 4. C is 4. So B is the correct answer. Now I want to see your reaction in the chat section that you are really feeling good. This is J Mains 2023 question. So can you see any difference in between NEET and J? Kids, I want to see your reaction. Now, here is another question. But this question means a lot. Those who have not gone through isomerism, they can skip. But those who have done their isomerism, this is really, I would like to say, tough question. And it is of advanced 2023. Advanced question 2023. Now let me zoom in a little bit. Now I think everyone can see to it. It's clearly visible and it will require some time also. It will need some time also, kids. Let me sit in front of screen and let me check it out. How many? Vishesh, welcome. Tell everyone to join the class because very awesome questions are going on, kids. And I want Safur, it's your first class, no problem. Professor Sushi, welcome. Kids, this question will need some time. Phoenix batch, okay. Shashant, welcome. This question, it's not for Phoenix 3.0 because in Phoenix 3.0, still their isomerism is left. Let me till that time, let me see. Now, kids, I can see you are answering this B. People are going for B. Chaitanya, welcome. Let me check it out. What's the correct answer for this? 1 bromo 2 ethyl pentane. Now see, 1 bromo 2 ethyl pentane. How to write down? 1 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 bromo, and what they are saying? 1 bromo, 2 ethyl pentane, 2 ethyl, 1 bromo 2 ethyl pentane. This is your compound. CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now, my dear friends, this is bromine, 1 bromo. They are saying SN2 reaction. Before I start SN2 reaction, I would like to tell you, here in this compound, this is your chiral carbon. Can you see? This is your chiral carbon. But the attack of nucleophile is taking place at this carbon. Are you getting my point? Nucleophile is attacking from the back side on this carbon, which is not chiral. It's not attacking on chiral carbon. Are you getting my point? Whatever the configuration of this chiral carbon is there, negative, negative, whatever, R or S, whatever. So negative means this is dextro. It will remain dextro only because attack is taking place on the carbon which is not chiral. This carbon is not chiral. This is not chiral. This is not chiral carbon. So it will not change the configuration. Configuration will not change. Will not change. Are you getting my point? Will not change. So will not change. What is the English for this? Configuration will retain. There will be retained configuration. So retention of configuration. Second is the answer of P. So P is second. So this is overruled. This is overruled. Out of these two, we have to select. Now see, 2-bromopentane. They are saying 2-bromopentane. So let's find out. 2-bromopentane is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bromine. You can see this is methyl, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is chiral carbon. Now this is chiral carbon, and the attack is taking place over here by which mechanism? SH2. So definitely the nucleophile will come from the back side, and there will be inversion of configuration. Everyone, you have to also write down there will be inversion of configuration. Am I right? Inversion of configuration. So its answer will be for this inversion. So first, for Q it is first. So welcome, you have done advanced question. How you are feeling? Those who know, the people who's aware of isomerism, how you're feeling, because this is not a question, this is a emotion. I want to see your feelings in the chat section. Then only I will move towards third question, kids. Chaitanya, welcome everyone. Kids, I want to see your true feelings about this question. All the NEET students, I hope they are able to do IIT questions in a fantastic way, even the JEE advanced question. All my plus batch students, Phoenix 2.0, Phoenix 3.0, just show me green signal if you're really feeling fantastic. If you're really loving such questions. Not JEE mains, it's of JEE advanced question. You see on the bottom Right, it's written, it's advanced question. Write down something, kids. Now, Priya Pathak, very good. Now see, kids, another question. This question. This one, kids, this one. Let me zoom in so that you can clearly see this question. Now I think it's clearly visible to all of you. This question. I'm waiting for your answer, kids. Immediately, you can answer it. Let me check it out. I will explain all the questions. Sugandhi. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Wait, kids. That's really fantastic question. And Sugandhi is saying explain all. Very good, very good. I like this. This is the best thing. As Sugandhi is saying, sir, explain all. Now see, Sugandhi. 3-bromo 3-methyl-hexane. 3-bromo 3-methyl-hexane. Just see. 3-bromo 3-bromo 3-methyl-hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-bromo. 3-bromo 3-methyl-hexane, right? CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. And what he is asking about, do its SN1 reaction with aqueous NaOH. SN1 reaction. So you know that SN1 reaction, carbocation formation will take place. This bromide will eliminate out and you will get ethyl, carbon, methyl, and this is propyl, and this is carbocation. And you know very well that carbocation is with the pure p orbital, 2 lobes of pure p orbital. So the nucleophile will come and attack from above the plane as well as below the plane, or you can say the nucleophile will come and attack from the same site, the site from which leaving group is eliminating out, as well as from the back side. Backside attack will be dominating as compared to front side attack. But both the attacks will take place, so you will get dextro and levo both. So you will get racemic mixture. What? Racemization will take place. We don't know whether complete racemization or partial racemization, but definitely racemization will take place. 99% cases partial racemization to take place because due to the backside attack, inversion is more as compared to retention, but both will be more. So generally, inversion is more than retention, but both will take place, retention as well as inversion. This point is clear, kids? So here, if you talk about our mixture of enantiomers, racemic mixture means mixture of enantiomers. But this S point, how many of you want to understand this S point? It holds a whole lot of weightage. Now see, kids. Attack. ये नेट आया क्या? कोई बात नहीं, लेट चल क्यों नहीं रहा है इसमें? देखो, उसको बंद कर दो, जल्दी ऑन करो उसको, उसको सब छोड़ दो। इसमें पासवर्ड पड़ेगा, क्या पड़ेगा? यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? ये नेट चल ही नहीं रहे हैं यार, मेरी यूट्यूब की क्लास से खराब हो गई है। देखो जरा, रिकनेक्शन सक्सेसफुल आ गया है। Kids, are you there? Just to let me know. Now, am I audible and visible to all of you? There was power cut, so there was internet connection lost. I tried my level best. Now I'm over here. Just to let me know, kids. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Show me green hearts, green leads, green to go. I want to see kids. Are you there, everyone? Just to let me know, kids. Let me check it out. People are there. so that we can once again start with the questions, kids. Today it is Haloalkenes, Haloarenes, and I want to know that everyone is over there or not, my dear friends, so that we can start with the questions. Everyone, call everyone, send the messages that yes, class once again got restored. Everyone, kids, let me check it out. Yes, once again, warm welcome to all of you kids. So, should we start? So, this was the one where we were discussing. It took too much time, but yes, thank God we are over here. And just think about this one. This one. Is it properly visible? Kids, once again, everyone, I want to see green signal from everyone's side if everything is perfect. Yes, kids. Now see, this is the one. You see methyl is coming towards your side and hydrogen is going away. But this carbon will not get changed. Its configuration will not get changed. Why? Because here halogen is not present. Halogen is attached to this carbon. So remember that if I say this is either R or S, so let's write down hydrogen is away, methyl, and this is number one, number two, and arrow is moving anti-clockwise. Arrow is moving anti-clockwise. Kids, can you see arrow is moving anti-clockwise and hydrogen is going away? So this is S configuration, and this one bromine number one and that number two. So arrow is moving clockwise, and the least priority group is towards your side. So this is also S. But the attack during SN1 reaction will take place from front side as well as from back side. So this will remain S, but this will change into S as well as R. So SS and SR, they are diastereomers. They are diastereomers of each other. So its answer will be diastereomer, fifth one. I hope that it's very clear. If you got it, do let me know in the chat section that's a yes, we are able to understand this question. Now, we were dealing with this question. Everyone, those who are there is still there, and those who have come back, your Baba HSP is showing green hearts to all of you kids for your dedication level. Kids, let me sit in front of screen. Are you back? Let me check how many of you are there. Priya Pathak, thank you. Obvia Lakshmi, warm welcome. This is really awesome. And kids, call everyone, those who have gone back, that yes, it started. Okay, thank you. Chaitanya, welcome. Sugandhi, wow. So I'm going to put one message that class started. Everyone come back. Now, yeah, Chatra, thank you for this much of faith. Now, let's set go. Let's set go with this question. Now you see its answer. They are dealing with SN2. SN2. So SN2 means gets least steric hindrance. Who is having least steric hindrance? Methyl chloride in both. So A can't be the answer, D can't be the answer, methyl, and then C should be the answer. C should be the answer. Now, this question. This is of mains 2013. Just read it out properly and let's see how many of you can answer it. I will wait for your answer and then I'm going to explain it. Everyone, I will just wait for your answer and then I will explain it. Yes, tell me the answer in the chats. What's your answer, kids? Yes, kids. Let me see your answer. Yes, yes, yes. A. Everyone is going with A. Let me check it out. A is the right answer. Wrong answer. Let me check it out. AgNO3 warm with alcohol. You remember that? It's giving white PPT. My dear friends, with AgNO3. This question they have given, but I would like to say it's wrong. Because when you are having something ionic bond with the bromine, answer is okay, but if you see Fi react NABR ionic bond with the AgNO3, I will get AgBr pale yellow PPT. AgBr is pale yellow PPT. So even sometimes these people are also doing a little bit of mistake with AgNO3. They should have written that in place of white PPT, they should IT paper whomsoever has designed this question, he or she was supposed that body was supposed to write down light yellow PPT, right? That means this bond must be ionic. So this is benzylic, this is benzylic, this is benzylic, but this is arylic. So this is over and out. This can't be your answer. Now out of these three, all they are benzylic. Benzylic, I tell, yes, according to Baba HSP, they are rat of the ship. They are good leaving group, and this is captain of the ship. Can't leave easily. But he is writing that easily forms anhydride. To form anhydride, compound should have both the COH on adjacent position. If they are being on adjacent position, then only the water can eliminate out to form anhydride. Then only they can form anhydride, otherwise they cannot form anhydride. This is phthalic acid and this is phthalic anhydride. So both the two groups should be adjacent line. This is on meta, this is on para, so they can't be the answers. If you are satisfied with this explanation, show me green signal in the chat section, everyone. Then I will proceed towards another question, if it is clear. Now, here is another question. This is a really very awesome question. Question number 93. Everyone, yes, let me see who is going to answer this question. Fast, quick. It's of main, D mains 2017. Let me see in the chat section how many of you are going to answer it. Priya Pathak ji is going for D. Zero lies. Chaitanya should be D. Let me see whether your answer is right or wrong. TTBU, okay. That is CH3, CH3, okay. It is too much sterically hindered base. Too much sterically hindered. Now, once if somebody is too much sterically hindered, so that can't act as nucleophile with 99% of the reactant. So can't act as nucleophiles. So these three are plus I groups. They are donating electrons and making it to be highly basic. Highly basic means it is going to do E2 reaction. E2 means elimination will take place, and elimination means alkene formation. Elimination means alkene formation. So these three can't be the answers. These three can't be the answers. Your answer will be D. I hope that everyone got it. Everyone is able to understand. Because you are sitting too far away from your Baba HSP, I would like to see green signal. Anything green you can show. If you are able to understand, if you are not able to understand, you can show some fire. Chat is not moving, kids. I cannot see what you're writing. I just can see the symbol which I can see in the chats. Green means everyone is okay, everyone is able to understand. Fire means you people are not able to understand. Now, here is another question. This question is really awesome question, kids. Let me see. What should be the answer? I'm waiting for your answer. Let me sit in front of the screen. Let me check it out. What answer you are going to give? Everyone, Narendra, welcome. C. Some are going for C. Some are going for D. Chaitanya for C. Anju Sharma for C. Let me check it out. What should be the correct answer? Now see, halogen is present over here, and this is MEONA. That means it is CH3ONA. CH3ONA means sodium methoxide. Now sodium methoxide is your strong base as well as strong nucleophile. It can behave as both. But you see, this is a little bit sterically hindered. It is 2 degree. 2 degree. So you know that 2 degree will show major of elimination and minor of substitution. E2 major, SN2 minor, kids. Now E2 major. Now see, only one side there is alkene formation. Nowhere E2 means single step reaction. Single step reaction. So no rearrangement is possible. Single step reaction means no rearrangement is possible. No rearrangement means simply there is no hydrogen at this place, no hydrogen. So definitely Br will go from here and H will go from here. And once they are leaving here plus charge, here negative charge, negative positive bond formation. So B is the correct answer. Now some people might be thinking that, sir, for elimination we have studied that high temperature is required. Remember that it's given even clearly in your NCERT that if temperature you are going to increase, then the amount of alkene will be more and more it will increase. But at even room temperature, you are going to carry out this reaction. Alkene will be major for 2-degree alkyl halide. 60% is alkene formation, 40% is substitution even at room temperature. Is this point clear to all of you? Once the points are clear, clearly show green hearts, green symbol, green leaves, anything go green. Now, another question, kids. Here is another brilliant question. This question is super awesome question, I would like to say. Let's solve this question, kids. Let's see what answer you're going to give for this question. This is from chapter 1, class 12. Haloalkenes, Haloarenes. Brilliant question. Let me sit in front of screen and check it out. What answer you are going to give, kids? Anju Sharma is going with D. Tanushri is going with D. And only few people are following the rules and regulations. Kids, once you are able to understand, always never forget to show green signal. Kshitij Agrawal, very good Kshitij, welcome. Kshitij is going with A. Chatra D. Oh my God, this question is looking a little bit trappy question. People are getting trapped. Now, let me give you a hint, then go through it. You must have studied ARSN2 reaction. ARSN2, where carbonyl was getting formed. Carbonyl or benzene was the intermediate, kids. Carbonyl or benzene was the intermediate. Now at least you can answer correctly, kids. Let me check it out. I have given hint and let me ask this question now. See. Oh, no, 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 no. They are talking about SN2 only. Wait. Not the ARSN2. It's another question. A decreasing order of reactivity of the following compound towards nucleophilic substitution, because see, they are not haloarenes. ARSN2 reaction takes place in haloarenes. Let me write down. Don't get confused. ARSN2 takes place in haloarenes, and these are not haloarenes. These are not haloarenes, so no ARSN2, no ARSN2. ARSN2 will not take place. So simply you see benzyl, 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 benzyl. All of them are benzyl. The one who is having maximum positive charge, see, it is SN2. If it would have been SN1, then we were supposed to see carbocation stability, but they are not asking SN1. They are asking SN2. Remember that for SN2, this carbon, if it is having maximum positive charge, the one who is having maximum positive charge on benzylic carbon will immediately release its chloride. So which carbon is having maximum positive charge? See, this is meta, these two are meta, leave it. One para, one meta, one ortho. Now see, from ortho it will apply minus M. From ortho it will apply minus M, and minus I is also maximum. So its positive charge is maximum. First this one, then this one. That means 2, then 3. 2, then 3, then 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. B is the correct answer. Those who have given B as the answer, show green symbol. Those who have shown green, this to be the answer, B to be the answer, their answer is absolutely correct. Let me check it out. How many of you have shown B as the answer? Let me sit in front of screen. Kids, this was really nice question. Wow. This is anaconda question. I would like to say it's anaconda question. Really, it's awesome question. Wow. Mind blowing question, kids. It's a mind blowing question. Now, another one. This one. I hope that it's very clear. This question. Just see to it and try to answer the question. Among the following compounds 1 to 4, which one forms a yellow PPT on reacting sequentially with NaOH, dilute HNO3, AgNO3? Oh my God. It's a fantastic question, I would like to say. It's a really awesome question of 2021. First NaOH, then dilute HNO3, and then AgNO3. This is super awesome question, I would like to say. NaOH, dilute HNO3. Wow. Yes. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Yes, it's very clear. It's simple. The one is having, yes, what? Iodine. Because chlorine forms white PPT. Chlorine forms white PPT. White AgCl. NaI forms yellow PPT of AgI. Can you see clearly? And see, they have not used the heat. So this bromine, they all are being captain of the ship. They will not go. This is benzylic only. This one is going with NaOH and it will form NaI, and NaI will react with AgNO3 to form yellow PPT. I hope this is clear. So we have to go with this option. Those who have given this to be the correct answer, then green hearts. Now see another one. This is question in front of your eyes. Just see to it, everyone. Chlorine on reaction with magnesium. Definitely it will form Grignard reagent. What should be the Grignard reagent of this 5-membered MgCl? Now check it out. What should be the answer? Grignard reagent will react with ethyl alcohol, and ethyl alcohol is having acidic hydrogen. So this will go along with the whole part will go along with this, and this will get H, and this will be your answer. Is this given? Yeah, C. Those who have given C as the answer, you can show appreciation for yourself. Everyone, those who are able to understand green symbol, green hearts, I want to see. Now this is once again awesome question. Read it out properly, then only try to answer it. It's really awesome question, kids. This question is really awesome. And let me sit in front of screen to check it out. Who is giving the correct answer? Very good. Yes, they have to react separately. The one who is forming NAI, Chitij, that will form yellow PPT. Let me check it out. Who is going to give the correct answer, kids? Chaitanya is going for C. Very fast. Obvia C. Chitij also C. Let me check it out. What Baba is going to click the answer. First of all, read it out properly. Reading is very important. Reading properly. Reading properly question means half of the question is done. He is asking inactive. Inactive means not going to react, not reacting. Am I right? Not reacting, kids. Means will not show reaction. Which one of the following compound is inactive towards SN1? SN1 inactive means will not form carbocation. Will not form carbocation. Will not form carbocation. So see, this is that bridgehead carbon, and the halogen at bridgehead carbon will not form carbocation because it will violate Braddock's rule. It will violate bread and tomato Braddock's rule. It's against Braddock's rule. So C is the correct answer. This will form 3-degree carbocation. This will form allyl carbocation. This will form benzyl carbocation. They all will form. This will not form because this compound, the bridgehead carbon, can't be sp2 hybridized. Remember that, my dear friends, because Braddock's rule says bridgehead carbon can't be sp2 hybridized in bridge bicyclo up to 7-member ring. Clear? Those who have got correct answer, they can show green hearts, otherwise fire. Otherwise fire. This is really awesome, kids. Let's proceed towards another question. Wow, this question is really awesome, kids. Super awesome question. Very good question, I would like to say. Let me check it out. What's your answer? Everyone, answer the following question. This question. Yes, kids. Ovia is going with B, GM is going for B, everyone is going for B. So let's see what your Baba says towards SN1. SN1 means rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Now see, all they are benzylic. All they are benzylic. This is common point, kids, that all of them, they are being benzylic. So this is showing plus M. Plus M will put negative charge, and that will maximum stabilize this. So B should be at the top. After B, This NO2 should be at the last. NO2 should be at the last, starting with B and ending with D. Let's check it out. Starting with B, ending with D. No? Oh, starting with B, ending with A. No, it's not D, it's A. Sorry, kids. This one is A. This one is A. Ending with A. B, A. So B is the correct answer. This is simple question. It has been asked in J Mains 2023. How much rating you are going to give, kids? Everyone, if you are able to solve it easily, show greens, hearts. If you're not able to solve it easily, you can show fire, kids. If you are able to solve it easily, quickly, then I want to see that everyone should show green hearts. The major product formed in this question. Let's see. The major product formed in the Friedel-Crafts acylation of chlorobenzene. That means they have provided chlorobenzene and they are asking major product. So it's very simple, kids. It's very simple. What's your answer? It's very simple. Simplest question I would like to say. Let me check it out. It's the simplest. Kids. Only some people are giving correct answer. Others are getting failed. It's B, kids. Remember that. First point, halobenzene, they deactivates the ring. Deactivates benzene ring because of minus I. Minus I dominates over plus M. Only in case of chlorine, minus I is equal to plus M. Now, their ring activity is decided by their minus I, but their orthopara orientation is decided by their plus M effect. Plus M I can say, or plus R I can say, they are orthopara director. So halobenzene are OP director. OP director, remember that. We know very well that all those groups which are ring activating, they are OP director, but halobenzenes are being exceptional case. I will not say exceptional. There is nothing to be called as exception, but halobenzenes are OP director. OP director, so they will allow this group to come at para and ortho. Para will be major. Now, further acylation will not take place because this is a ring deactivating group, strong ring deactivating group, and that is weak ring deactivating group. But all they are ring deactivating. Once it has taken place, no further acylation. So those who are got B to be the correct answer, show green hearts. Kids, you are not showing green hearts, so fire. Now here is another question. Very good question, I would like to say. Fantastic question. I will take 10 to 15 minutes more, then all the questions will get AGNO3Y. I'm writing. It's a question. Awesome question. Compound from the following that will not produce precipitate. Not is the important point to be noted, my lord. Point to be noted. Point to be noted. Yes, very good question. Excellent question, kids. I would like to say it's been excellent question. Let me check it out. Who is going to answer it, kids? And kids, smash the like button. If you are not, if you haven't done that, C is the answer. Wow. Ovya, GM, Shreya, Kareem, absolutely correct. You are rocking. Guys, you are rocking. It's of mains 2023. 2023 paper. Science 3. No, it's not B, it's C. Let me tell you, let me explain. Just see. Let me explain. As this bromide will go with AgNO3, it will form a light yellow PPT AgBr, and this compound will become like this, and now it is aromatic. Just see, it is planar, planarity rule it is following, and it is having 2 pi electrons, so Huckel's rule also followed by it. Now here this is allylic. This is allylic, so easily will go with AgNO3. And see, here also it's benzylic, so easily it will go. But this is vinylic. According to Baba HSP, it is captain of the ship. It is doing resonance with this. So this bond is having double bond character. It's having partial double bond character because it is attached with sp2 hybridized. So C is the correct answer. Those who have got C as the answer, warm welcome to all of them. Really, you can show green hearts for yourself, kids. You're not showing symbols, only few people are following the rules. Not everyone. Kids, why not everyone? It's a lengthy one. Let's see who can answer it. Let me zoom in so that it's clearly visible to all of you. I hope that it's clearly visible to each and every one of you. This question is, oh my God, it is also of 2023. Anhydrous AlCl3. Oh, very good question. Very good question, kids. Very good question. Let me sit in front of screen and let me check it out. Sai Kumar, Tanushri, very good kids. These people are following the rules and regulations. That's really awesome. Looking good. But why you're not smashing the like button? Mark your attendance in the form of hitting the like button, kids. Make it 100. So let's see who is going to get the correct answer, kids. Everyone, just to let me know, kids. Now see, kids. Let me explain this question. This question is really awesome question. And kids, everyone, just tell me what's the answer for this question. This question. Everyone, please. This is a brilliant question. I want to see everyone's answer, kids. Yeah, let me check it out. Some people are going for C, some are going for D. Let me check it out. See, this OCS3 is OP director, right? This is ring deactivating, so it will not decide. Ring deactivating will not decide. Ring deactivating will not decide, right? How to find out ring deactivating? It is minus M, or you can say minus R. So he is going to decide because it is plus M or plus R. It is OP director. Ortho, meta, para. This is para. But here there will be steric hindrance, so attack will not take place at this point because because of steric hindrance, no attack. Attack will be over here. This anhydrous AlCl3, it is having just 6 electrons. So it will take this chloride along with him to have electrons, and this carbon will get plus charge, and this is going to attack over here. Remember that this can't be possible because always wherever the ring formation is going to take place, but ring must be of either 6-membered, 5-membered, or 7-membered. So give preference. So give preference to intramolecular cyclization within the compound. Intramolecular cyclization. If ring is of either 6 or 5 or 7-membered, this is the ring stability. So this is not possible. So 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 carbon, 6-membered ring. So whatever is forming the bond, methyl will be on the same carbon. Methyl should be on the same carbon. So see, methyl is a little bit away. This is also not the answer. This is not the answer. This is not. And now 6-membered ring and methyl is on the same carbon. T. It was really awesome question. Marvelous question, I would like to say. Marvelous question, kids. Marvelous. Those who have done it correctly, welcome. Welcome, kids. Let me see how many of you have done it correctly. It was really awesome question. Superb question, I would like to say. Superb. Here is another one. Here is another one. Just see to it. This question. Just 5 minutes more I will take. Then all the questions will get completed and today's mission will be accomplished. And kids, make it 100 likes if it is possible, kids. If it is possible from your side. Obvia is very, very fantastic because she is very, very dedicated. Priyaji, very, very dedicated. Chaitanya, very, very dedicated. Hats off to you, kids. Now, kids, C. Answer, they are giving C as the answer. Let me check it out, kids. What should be the correct answer for this question? They are reacting with NaOH. Now, my dear students, if you remember, this reaction is being Dawes process. Dawes process. That is ARSN2 reaction, which I was talking about this reaction earlier. It is common with haloarenes. It is common with haloarenes. Now, my dear students, all of them are being haloarenes. So this is given on page number 303 of very, very old NCERT, otherwise 311 in old NCERT. So this reaction proceeds with the formation of carbanion. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to carbanion stability, or you can say it can also proceed with benzene mechanism, but that is not in the syllabus. So carbanion, but remember that carbanion must be ortho and para. Wherever the halogen is attached, suppose if I say halogen is being attached over here, then carbanion will get formed at ortho, para, ortho. And any electron withdrawing group is attached over here, WG, like NO2. Then what it will do? It will take away the electrons, more dispersion of electron. Let me tell you how more dispersion of electrons. If I say that this is the compound and carbanion formation is taking place, halogen is located over here and the NU is over there. Now if any electron withdrawing group like NO2 is there, now what this NO2 will do, this negative charge will go over there for resonance. So extra resonance stabilization will be there. If NO2 is located at para, then once again extra delocalization will be there. If NO2 is located over here, once again, so more dispersal of negative charge means the charge is getting decreased. Dispersal of charge, more resonance, more dispersal, magnitude of charge will decrease, magnitude will decrease, and hence stability will increase. And if stability is increasing, the rate of reaction will also increase. So definitely, what do you think? What's your answer? What's your answer? So this you see at its ortho NO2 and para, this should be the most reactive. So starting with the D, there are two options, so they can't be the answer. After D, it's NO2, B, DB. So C is the correct answer. It's really awesome. You are enjoying or not? At least do let me know that it's really awesome session. Fantastic. It's great going. Now here's the question. Oh my God. This is very tough question. But you can make it easy if you have brain. If you are having brain, you can make it easy, kids. Take your time. I think this is the last or second last question. Let me sit in front of screen and do check it out that how many of students. Wow, Chaitanya, आपका सही हुआ. That's really awesome. How many of you are going to solve it, kids? Correctly. Who is going to get marks, kids? 28th question, kids. Here is your question. Everyone. Some people are writing C as the answer. Let me check it out. Now, see, kids. Out of these two bromines, this is benzylic. This one is benzylic, right? Benzylic means weak bond. Weak bond. So A BRA. A is BRA. So this can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. BRA tie is there. Now in this is over here allylic. This iodine A is allylic, will leave easily. Either benzylic or allylic, they have partial ionic character. Remember that. Partial ionic character. What is the meaning of this partial ionic character? It's that single bond is having partial ionic character. Benzylic and allylic. Now what are benzylic and allylic? Means C double bond C on alpha carbon if halogen is attached. This is benzylic or allylic. That the single bond is like broken bond. Its bond order is less than 1. Single bond, they do have partial ionic character. So broken bonds, partial ionic character. Are you getting my point, kids? Ultimately, I can say they are weaker bond. So this will break. Iodine A, in both iodine A is there. Now this is bridgehead bromine. Can't go because it will violate Braddock's rule. Can't go as I've told you, explained you earlier. Can't go according to Braddock's rule. It is going to violate Braddock's rule. So this bromine will go bromine B. Bromine B. So C is the answer. Kids, wow, you're rocking. You're rocking, kids. Now only 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more and 2 questions are left. Kids. Chaitanya, wow. Ovya Lakshmi, wow. Priyaji, Shreya, wow. Kids, you're rocking. Now, kids, hit the like button. Make it 90 at least, if not 100. 87. 3 to go for 90, kids. Now it's really working. First of all, Romba Sulvam. Those who are thinking that chemistry pedicure, organic chemistry pedicure, Radu customer, I would like to say no, it's Romba Sulvam. The things which are looking idiyappam murku, they have become easy peasy lemon squeezy. Wow, kids. Wow. Now, here is one fun question. Fantastic question. Fundamentally strong question. I would like to say fundamental question. Let's see who's going to answer it. Very awesome question, I would like to say. Fast, kids, fast. IUPAC now with ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene. What do you mean by ethylidene? If you know ethylidene, then only you can answer it. If you don't know ethylidene, you can't answer it, kids. Ethylidene. So let's see how many of you are going to get correct answer. Remember that ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene chloride is this one. CH3, CH, Cl and Cl. Gem halide is ethylidene. Gem halide. Now if you say what is this one? Let's remember that this is known as ethylene chloride. This is your ethylene. This is vicinal. This is your vicinal, vis halide. So we have to focus on here. 1 randa means 1 2, 1 dichloroethane. So D is the correct answer. How many of you have got D as the correct answer? Kids, wow, you're rocking. Yay. Now, kids, one last question. Or second last, let's see. Okay, something has gone from here. Let me see CH2I, CH2I. So it will be CH2I over here. Let me put CH2I over here and just check it out. What should be the answer of this question? Very good question, kids. One, two question. No, 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 no. I think this is not the question. Wrongly I have written, kids. Wrongly I have written. So it must be CH2OH. Yes, it should be CH2OH. Let me write down. It should be CH2OH. Now it's correct. Now it's correct. CH2OH. Just check it out. What should be the answer? CH2OH, kids. So definitely this will go Cl and NaI. A should be the answer because it is attached with sp2 hybridized, so it will not release. It will not going to leave it. Now here is another question. Just go with this. This is going to be a last question, kids, for today. Everyone, this is going to be a last question for today. All the questions got completed. Really, kids, you are doing the best. Hats off to all of you, kids. Really, the best session is going to happen, kids, because of your patience level. You are doing the best. In previous question, double bond is missing. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Just a second. No, double bond is not missing. See, CH2OH, it will react with HCl. You will get heat is there. Remember that heat is there. You will get CH2Cl OH. Now NaI dry stone, this is your Finkelstein reaction. So you will get OH, CH2I, it's Finkelstein reaction, clear? So this was the answer, CH2I and OH, right? Now see, what should be the answer of this question, kids? Who is going to answer it? Oh my God, Tanushri, wait, Tanushri, wait. Remember that it's a general name. There is no double bond. Remember that. Its name is ethylene, but there is no double bond. Remember that. Very good thing you have asked. Point to be noted, my lord. Its name is ethylene and ethylene chloride. But there is no double bond. No double bond. Remember this point. Point to be noted, my lord. No double bond is there. It's the general name. It's the general name. And that's why people are getting confused, just like EDTA. ethylene diamine tetraacetate. And the examiner once asked in IIT, they have given the options with double bond also. That's not the answer. You got it. No double bond is there. Thanushri got it. Is it clear, Thanushri? Ethylene is different. Thanushri, ethylene is having double bond. Ethylidene is different. Okay, let me tell you. Just wait. Let me clear this concept first. See, CH2 double bond CH2 is ethylene. General name. Ethene is IUPAC name. Now remember one more thing. CH triple bond CH. Its name is acetylene. But it's not in. It's not in. It's actually in. Ethine. Now see, from this ethane, if two hydrogens are replaced, if one is replaced, it will become ethyl monovalent. If two are replaced, then it will be like this, or you can write like this. Divalent. Both of these are ethylidene. This I taught you in very basic chemistry. Ethylidene. So now if you place two chlorine, ethylidene chloride. Now if you add chlorine over here, now this will be known as ethylene chloride. If you add chlorine over here, this is known as ethylidene chloride. Now I hope it's clear. Everything is clear. First of all, do let me know, Thanushri and all, everyone, just do let me know. Is it super awesome clear or not? Okay, let's deal with the last question and then my offline class will start. Today, I have not eaten even single thing as a lunch because of that electricity power cut. Now here, the answer is the reaction. This is this. It's Finkelstein reaction, you know. Br can't act as competing nucleophile. The correct statement, you have to give the correct Br can't act as competing nucleophile. So iodine is a better nucleophile because it is polar aprotic solvent. Chloride, bromide, iodide, right? The transition state formed in the above reaction is less polar than the reaction can occur in acetic acid also. The solvent used in the reaction solvates ions. So what should be the correct answer? The best option. It's very tough question, kids. What is the best option? Now, kids, this is for your homework. And you have to tell me the answer in the chat. In the comments. It is, oh, how no? Homework. Homework, it's brilliant question, kids. It's a brilliant question, and I would like to say it's marvelous, excellent question. Excellent. So you have to answer, you have to give answer in the comments. Give answer in the comments, right? Now I have to go for offline class, kids. I want to see this question's answer in the comment. It's really awesome question, right? And today, kids, you know very well What's up? Dil se Diwali and Academy Wali. In the evening, there is announcement of, yes, the lottery. So the link is provided in the, yes, subscription. Once you are going to answer over there, you will get that link. If you have not gone through that link, just go to it. That will redirect you, and just 3-4 points, and the chances of winning 10 iPhone Pro Max, 90 smartphones, 900 tabs, and 21 crore rupees prices lottery. You can share it to your friends. Bye bye. God bless you. Love you, kids.